Onion and green chilies are sauteed and added to a food processor with coriander, mint, curry leaves, and water, and this is ground to a paste. In a karai, cumin, cinnamon, coriander seeds, and onions are sauteed, and chopped ginger and garlic is added together with sliced green chilies. Tomatoes are added, some chicken, spices, and finally the ground green paste. Water is added and this chicken is cooked. Coconut milk added and the chicken is cooked. Finally, coriander and garam masala are added before serving. Cravings for Adventures. I've got an incredible curry recipe for you today. We're going to be making Andhra Green Chilli Chicken. This recipe is super unique and super delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with the green chili paste. I'm going to fry half a cup of onion and half a cup of green chilies. Once these blister, I'm going to remove it and I'm going to add it to a blender. I'm going to add 1 cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, 1/4 cup of curry leaves, a little bit of water, and I'm going to grind it. In my karai, I'm going to heat up some oil and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a 3-inch stick of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, and 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilies, and saute this well together. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of tomatoes. Cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes till the tomatoes get mushy. Next, I'm going to add in 2 pounds of bone-in chicken. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix this well so the spices coat the meat. Now I'm going to add all of that green paste in. Add a cup of water to your processing jar and add that in as well. Mix everything well together and cover this to cook. Make sure to uncover and stir at intervals and add salt to taste. I'm going to cook this chicken for about 15 to 20 minutes covered, stirring in between till the chicken is nice and tender. Once the chicken is tender and the gravy has reduced, I'm going to add in 200 ml of coconut milk. I'm going to allow this to cook for another 5 minutes. And finally, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And this is ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Andhra Green Chilli Chicken. It is such a unique recipe and it is so delicious. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and let me know what other videos you're looking for. Also, make sure if you love my video, share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.